Hey friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my crispy oven fried turkey wings. So let's get started. Okay friends, here are all of the ingredients that we will be using for this recipe, but no worries, I will have it all listed for you below. So next in a bowl, I'm going to combine all of the ingredients. I'm going to be combining celery salt, Cajun seasoning, low sodium, smoked paprika, chicken bouillon, lemon pepper seasoning, parsley, turmeric, granulated garlic, granulated onion, dried thyme, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, which is optional, salt and pepper. So you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, I need you to press that button right now so that YouTube knows your girl is here. So you guys, okay, so I washed my turkey in some vinegar and a little bit of lemon juice to get them all cleaned up. But I'm mixing up all of this mixture. I'm going to set it to the side. So I cut up some celery, carrots, and onion. I set those to the side because I'm going to add those to my baking dish. Now to my turkey, my clean turkey, I'm adding in some little olive oil. And now I'm going to take that wonderful seasoning that we made earlier and I'm going to sprinkle this all over and then I'm gonna rub it into these turkey wings because you know I gotta spread the love all around. I want to make sure everything is covered, everything is seasoned, and then guess what, we're gonna add it to this pan. So I have my oven set at 375 degrees, so make sure you do that. Now I'm adding all the vegetables to a greased baking pan that you see here. I'm going to take that wonderful seasoning and I'm just going to season the top of it because I figure everything needs some love. So why not spread the love around? Anyway, I'm adding in the turkey. Now my farmer's market, you guys, don't have the drum part on there. It only had the wings and the wingtips. So I just separated them and then I put the wingtips in the freezer. I'm going to put them in the smoker later and I'm add them to my greens this Christmas or Thanksgiving, one of the two. Anyway, I covered it with foil, put it in the oven. I baked it for at least 30-45 minutes until the turkey was fully tender. Now you guys, if you put this on a baking rack, it will actually crisp all the sides, but because I did not, I'm putting it on a cookie sheet and now I'm going to put it up underneath the broiler for probably another 5 to 6 minutes so that it can crisp up the back side of it for me. And then if you have a lot of broth left over, you can make a nice little gravy if you want, a pan gravy, which would be to pour that off and add it to a little bit of cornstarch, make it like a little slurry first and then stir it into that broth. And then you will have a nice little gravy, you guys. But for me, I don't have a lot of broth left over, so it's the right amount to just pour over the top, which you'll see later. So you guys will have to wait for nothing. Here is the sauce that was left over in the pan that's underneath those vegetables that I poured off. And now I'm just adding it to the top. I'm not gonna let it be on there that long. We're gonna be eating this really soon, so they're still gonna be pretty crispy, but you don't have to do this step at all if you just want them to be crispy. But there we go, you guys, there's the plate. So I'm serving it with some rice and some broccoli. So you guys, thank you for watching. Leave your comments, and as always, I want to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.